How to make a Facebook account unsearchable. To get started, go ahead and open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Facebook homepage where you can view posts and stories of your friends or pages that you follow. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Menu. Then, go to Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings. Scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section. Go to How people can find and contact you. Then, tap on Who can send you friend requests under your friends. Select Friends of Friends. Then, tap on Save below. After that, go back and tap on Who can see your friends list. Here, change the audience to Only Me. Tap on Save. Now, go to the Search Engines option and turn it off. When this setting is off, search engines will stop linking to your profile. Following these steps, you can easily make a Facebook account unsearchable.